Okay, I'm doing a bike check right now for one of my friends in Washington because he's looking for a new bike and I just so happen to have an extra one that I can sell. So, right now I'm in the garage and stuff, so yeah. Where to start? First off, the bike's in pretty good condition, for a bike that's pretty much been built from scrap and tons of parts replaced and stuff. It works really well. The only thing that's wrong with it is the cranks here. It's a little bit loose, but it works. So, the parts on it right now, I have a Diamondback Live frame. It's pretty light, a little bit front heavy, but replace the forks and you should be able to do that because the forks are Diamondback too. I have an Alienation back rim. I'm not exactly sure what model because it wasn't mine. Chain's kind of loose, but you can fix that easily. It's a 25:9 gear ratio. I knew that the sprocket is a fit sprocket. The seat is a kink seat that I got from a buddy in Washington. I think my front rim is a DK rim. I'm not sure. Right now I have a Mission Components stem with Subrosa bars and Aaron Ross Odyssey keyboard grips. I have pegs on here, but I'm not sure what kind of pegs they are. I have Colony pedals, which have good grip. If you're looking to put brakes on the bike, I'm not exactly sure how that would work out because I tried to put brakes on it, but apparently the frame is about 20 years old. So, and apparently they don't make brakes for it anymore, which is bullshit because, the Black Label that I have in the car right now takes the same type of shit. I have pegs. I don't even know what kind those are. You could put a gyro on it. I know it's not an integrated headset. I have the Kink Badger bars that came with it. I can't remember where I put those. Oh, they're right here. I have to move fucking everything. I will not, however, be selling the Subrosa bars that are on it, but I will get rid of the grips if needed. But the bars in the stem are a no-go. Compressor. Right now I will be handing these Kink Badger bars. I tried to paint them a color shift paint, which is blue and purple, with a red line stem. It's all pretty it works all pretty well, it keeps your bars where you want them and stuff. Not bad. A little lightweight, lighter than most. Let's see, that's all I know for right now. Only thing you'll really need to replace is the back tire because my garage light just cut off. Where is it? Because, as you can see right there, it's starting to show thread, but it'll last you for a good couple more weeks. What the fuck was that? Oh, valve cap. I have this pivotal seat that came with the Black Label that I had, if you want that too. I have a shitload of pegs, if you want those. The piece of shit ones are painted, so, and they're screw on, so you don't want that. I have these ones, which are bolt-ons. If you have a 15 millimeter, front axle, yeah, I can give you those. But how much time do I got left on here? Wow, it's only been like 5 minutes. Okay, I'm not sure on the cranks because cranks aren't mine. I pretty much traded out the whole crank set with a friend. But yeah, I traded out the back rims and everything, which unfortunately his bike got stolen shortly after. He managed to get the frame and shit back, but you know, shit happens. He should have a bike by now. Yeah, only thing that's really wrong with it is just loose crank, which you should be able to fix if you just, you know, use a wrench or something, get in there, do that shit. Everything works, everything's tight, everything's secured, nothing's gonna fall off on you or anything. You know, everything works just fine, it's pretty lightweight. I mean, the only real complaint that I can have anyone, that I can see anyone making is just, except that one was with my bars. But, yeah. That's everything. I'm doing this on my computer because I'm one lazy little fuck.